Let's stop sugarcoating it. Let's stop pretending you're waiting on the right time. The right mood, the right motivation. Because the truth? You're not stuck, you're just stalling. The life you want isn't far away. It's just hidden behind the things you've been avoiding. Your laziness, your fear, your excuses. And the longer you protect them, the longer you postpone your greatness. You say you want it, you say you're hungry, you say you're built for more. But let's be honest, what are you doing about it? Are you moving or just talking? Are you building or just browsing? Planning or just procrastinating? Because your dreams are not waiting forever. They're not paused, they're perishing while you argue with your comfort zone. Here's the brutal truth no one told you. Laziness is a habit, fear is a liar, excuses are chains. And every time you choose one, you give up another piece of your future. Every time you scroll instead of show up, you get a little further from the version of you keep pretending you want to become. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you're gambling with a future that isn't guaranteed. Want to know why most people never make it? It's not lack of talent, it's not lack of opportunity. It's the quiet, sneaky voice that says, "Let's wait. Let's take it easy. Let's just think about it a little longer." That voice is killing your future. You say you're tired of starting over? Then stop quitting. You say you want more? Then stop settling for less. You say you were made for greatness? Then stop behaving like mediocrity is enough for you. Because here's the truth. Everything you want, the body, the business, the freedom, the peace, the confidence, it's all there, just beyond your current discipline level. Just beyond your fear of failing. Just beyond the stories you keep telling yourself about why you can't. And I get it, I really do. You're tired, you've failed before, you don't know where to start. You've been through a lot, you're carrying pain no one sees. But do you know what that means? It means you've survived more than most. It means you're still breathing, which means you still have time. And if you still have time, you still have a chance. But you've got to stop wasting it. The dream won't chase you. The breakthrough won't beg you. The opportunity won't wait for your insecurities to heal. At some point, you've got to move through the discomfort. You've got to stop negotiating with your weakness. You've got to decide that the life you want is worth the temporary pain of becoming someone new. Let me ask you this. Are you addicted to comfort or committed to growth? Because you can't have both. You can't keep cuddling your excuses and calling it self-care. You can't keep avoiding action and calling it overthinking. You can't keep delaying your life and blaming everything but you. Your habits are the evidence of your priorities. And right now, your life is showing you exactly what you've really been choosing. But here's the good news. You can choose differently today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. Start small, start scared. Start with whatever you've got left, but start. Because every time you choose discipline over distraction, you get one step closer. Every time you choose courage over fear, you silence that voice that said you never would. Every time you reject the excuse and take the action, you become the version of you that's been buried under the weight of what-ifs. Like this video if you're done playing small. Comment below, "No more excuses, I'm choosing action." Subscribe, because this isn't about hype, it's about healing, hustle, and honesty. Look, you're not broken, you're just distracted, you're not too late. You're just undisciplined. You're not unlucky, you're just letting your fears run the show. But all of that can change. Not in a year, not with a new job, not after life gets easier. It can change the moment you do. The moment you decide that your future matters more than your feelings. That your purpose matters more than your problems. That your dreams deserve more effort than your doubts. So get up, shake off the excuses. Drag your resistance with you if you have to. But move. One action, one day, one decision at a time. Because success isn't this massive leap. It's the quiet war you win with yourself daily. It's not loud, it's not glamorous, it's not always visible. But it's real, and it's yours. If you want it bad enough to stop waiting, you want the next level? Then kill the excuses, kill the distractions. Kill the maybe later mindset. Because everything you want is right there. Right beyond the resistance, right past the moment you almost quit. Right behind the fear you thought you couldn't face. So walk through it. Not because it's easy, but because you're done staying the same. You're not lazy, you're not weak, you're not broken. You've just been hiding your greatness under convenience. But not anymore, now you know the truth. Everything you want is on the other side of your laziness, fear, and excuses. And you're finally ready to cross over.